Welcome to Unboxed, a brand new series. The title of the show literally explains what this new series is about. That's right, the secret art of cooking. No, I'm only kidding. Expect unboxing videos, but sadly don't expect the quality of an unbox therapy. I'm in desperate need of light. Scotland in mid-November is not the easiest place to get yourself sunlight. Then thank God for BenQ. They just sent me over their new ScreenBar e-reading lamp. Well, let's get this thing unboxed and see what is inside. Hopefully a light to brighten up my day. BenQ says their ScreenBar e-reading lamp is the world's first lamp that is specifically designed for digital screen time, from long working hours in front of computers to Netflix and chilling. They also say their lamps fit perfectly with our day-to-day situation, where the lighting is the key. Now this item has been unboxed, let's dive into the key features of the product. BenQ thankfully supplied me with the following information. Auto dimming, optimal brightness instantly. Thanks to the built-in ambient light sensor, ScreenBar adjusts the brightness levels automatically and instantly. It can be manually dimmed with the touch sensor control as well. Desktop dial for ScreenBar Plus only. Space saving. No lamp base, more desk space. A specially designed clip makes the attachment onto monitors easy and stable. No need for screws or tape that damage monitors. The clip fits any monitor with thickness from 1 to 3 centimeters. Glare free. ScreenBar has an asymmetrical optical design that only illuminates the desk and ensures zero reflective glare off the screen. Whatever it is, a computer, phone charger or power bank, any USB outlet can power the ScreenBar e-reading lamp. Adjustable color temperature. The warm light lets you relax and replenishes your energy. The cool light allows you to concentrate and boost work efficiency. Well, my first impression of the BenQ ScreenBar e-reading lamp is positive. It has a very good build quality, it is very easy to set up and use on my monitor. I can't ask for much more than that. If you are interested in BenQ's device, all links to where you can buy this product will be in the video description. I hope you have found this video helpful and thank you for watching Unboxed.